Heyo boss, and welcome back. Today Chef has a great video for you. This is the Philly cheesesteak cooking corner style. We know there's a lot of different videos and recipes for a Philly cheesesteak, and we wanted to show you our take. This is very simple, very cost effective, and great. Just a couple key ingredients. Here we go, let's get cooking. So in a large skillet, add a little bit of oil and just heat that up on high. And then add some peppers and onions. So onions and green peppers, they're gonna be sliced. Look at a little chef getting in on the action. Go ahead and mix those up for us, a little chef. You're gonna wanna cook these to your liking. Some people like them a little more charred than others. It's up to you. But when they're all set and cooked, go ahead and place them aside just like so. If you wanna add a little bit more oil to the pan, go ahead. But now you're gonna add your shaved steak you can pick up from the store. Place that in the pan, start to cook it, and just kind of use some tongs to pull it apart. Move it around, make sure everything's nice and cooked. You can season it if you want. A little salt and pepper, up to you. Once that's all set, go ahead and put your peppers and onions back in the cooked steak and mix everything around. Now there's a couple things that you might want to take away. Everything's all mixed, and some people like to put some cheese on top and mix that in now. Cooking Corner, we're going to show you a different take, and it's okay, everyone does things differently. Chef's going to go ahead and take his steak, peppers, and onions and put them on a sub roll. So he's going to fill that sub roll up, and then he's going to add his cheese on top. So it's just a different take on it. He's got two subs there, cheese on top. Put those in his little small oven there, let that cheese melt, and then when that comes out, oh, looking beautiful. Put that right on your plate, and he's going to serve it up some chips. So there's a couple different ways to cook this up. This was our take, but it was really delicious. If you want to put some toppings on, whatever you like, I'm not sure, ketchup, A1, mustard, whatever, you could do that. But we had a great time, and again, this was pretty cost effective, and it was really simple. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again. We hope you try it, and always remember, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.